Prosperity Team. It's Dr. Money coming to you from the prosperity corner of the universe where silliness is sacred and nobody's perfect. I am your POP, your professor of prosperity, and I'm here so that all of our lives can pop with prosperity. Have you ever made a mistake? One that you really regretted? Well, of course. But what we want to do is turn regret into restoration. We want to restore our good, even if we made a poor choice. So we can't change the past, but what we can do from our perception going forward is to affirm that even though this was a mistake in the past, in the present, it is a blessing. In the present, this mistake was a blessing. In the present, this particular choice turns out better than I could have ever imagined. It brings me new opportunities. It brings me different insights. It brings me spiritual growth. Even though it was a mistake, my good is now restored through this specific mistake. Isn't that great? You've heard in the Bible, I will restore the years the locusts have taken. How about if we look at every mistake, everything in the past, and just say, all of that is making the present more beautiful. All of that is making the present more abundant. All of my past is making for a more prosperous present. It's a great idea, and it's a true idea, because regret doesn't get us anything except lack. And appreciation and excitement and enthusiasm and changing our perception and seeing things a different way, well, that's a treasure. And a treasure is a pleasure. A treasure is a pleasure. And a treasure is always waiting for us if we allow ourselves to turn away from our mistakes and appreciate the present gifts that it brings. This is Dr. Money. Let's take a deep breath together. Oh yeah, we're breathing in. Oh, it feels so good. And as we breathe in, we're not only does it feel good to breathe in, and not only is it expansive, we breathe in our good. This is our taking in and receiving of our good. And as we exhale in unison, we exhale our intention that all other beings receive their good as well, that all other beings receive prosperity, that all other beings have plenty of time, that all other beings are happy. We want the best for everyone, including ourselves. And I want you to remember one more thing for sure, and that is that I love you.